Welcome to the OREVEINS Expert Coding class. Today, we're taking our programming skills to a cinematic level. Using the Beachball sprite as an invisible particle launcher, we will create stunning fireworks with a multi-layer particle system. By combining the power of clones, pen, and graphic effects, we'll build realistic fireworks featuring glowing rising trails and smooth fading explosions. Design concept: Particle Lifecycle. We divide the firework into two main physical stages, using clones to manage multiple objects simultaneously. 1. The ascent stage, main body plus trail. Main body: the Beachball sprite moves steadily upward. Trail effect: at every small step, the main sprite creates a clone. These clones remain in place and gradually fade using graphic effects, forming a beautiful, dynamic, glowing trail behind the rising firework. 2. The explosion stage, particle burst. When the main sprite reaches its highest point, it instantly creates many particle clones. Each particle clone moves outward while using pen down to draw bright radial lines, creating a brilliant explosion effect across the sky. Deep understanding: persistence of vision and graphic effects. Instead of manually erasing the screen, we use the ghost effect to let clones age and disappear naturally. This creates softer, smoother, and more realistic firework trails. Multi-layer nested logic, distributed processing. The main sprite controls the overall timing, while each clone runs its own independent tasks. This main program plus independent clones approach is the standard method for building complex particle systems and animations. Dynamic vector motion. By combining point and direction with move steps, we transform simple straight-line movement into complex radial explosion patterns. Creativity and practice tips. Try increasing the number of explosion particles, for example, to 100, and watch how the sky becomes dramatically more spectacular. Add a simple gravity effect by slowly decreasing the Y position as the particles move outward. Feel free to experiment with different numbers and settings. The same code framework can produce many unique styles of fireworks. If you encounter any logic challenges while building this clone plus pen system, don't hesitate to ask your OREVEINS teacher for help. We can't wait to see the beautiful and unique fireworks you create and launch into the starry sky.